Come here, cutie. Hello. Hey. Come here, baby. Peekaboo. Come on, baby. Don't put your hands near your mouth. Where's my baby?
I'm tired.
Yeah.
You tired?
Yes, I'm hungry.
All right. That's where we're going to get something to eat. Come here, hold my hand. Careful, careful, Kura. Never run out into the driveway. Look at Mama. Did you have fun at the park? Yeah. But you're what?
I'm just so tired and hungry.
You're just so tired and hungry. Well, don't lean on the car. Come on. Come on, pretty. That's not somebody else's car. Come on. Come on, sunshine. What are you doing? Come on. Where do you want to get something to eat? It's our family day. Sunday, November 4th. Come on, pretty.